Hello everybody. Dadas here, speaking to you from Dadas Trading System. Sorry. Speaking to you from the Dadas Trading Room Discord server. Well, on the Dadas Trading Room Discord server, I stream live every day. So the link with the invitation is below in the descriptions, and you can join me in the voice chat, and you can see my screen. I stream from around 10-11 a.m. Central European time. So at this moment it is UTC +2. All the way until 23 p.m. UTC +2 at this moment. So if you ever happen to be in my Dadas Trading Room Discord server, please join me. You can talk to me. We can discuss something. I'm open. What do? I trade the DAX 30 index every day. So I'm looking for at least one good opportunity to get into a good trade. Well, of course, if the market presents such an opportunity, and the market doesn't always do that, as we can see today, between those white lines is the day, and here the yellow line is more or less where, well, it's the London opening hour. And then I'm usually at my charts a little bit later. Very seldom will I be earlier. And then I'm looking for a trade. So what happened today? Basically, well, you can see that basically the market was, although from the daily perspective, it was on the bullish side. And both from the daily and the monthly perspective, because basically the monthly pivot is in the same place, right? So and also the week, because the week just started today. So basically I was thinking of going long, but you see, the whole this whole thing was a sideways movement, right? So my first market measurement was like this. I looked at it like this, right? This was the seemingly a bearish impulse right here, a bearish impulse, and then looking for the pullback, right? And the pullback was at this moment, the pullback was right there, right? So basically this was the basic measurement of the market in the morning, right? And after a while, after observing the price action, I decided to get in long. As we can see, the price didn't go in my direction immediately. It pulled back and then went back up and started going up, and actually started going up pretty lively. So I was hoping that the market would reach my take profit over there, but all of a sudden the market stopped, and I mean the price kind of stopped and didn't want to go further. I saw that I wanted to take 15 pips. So at one moment there was over 15 pips, and then it went down a bit, and then it went up to 15 pips again. So I clicked on close, but before, of course, it closed a little bit below 15 pips. Nevertheless, seeing what was happening next, well, the market practically stopped. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So basically 9 or even 10, 15-minute candles. That's 150 minutes. That's 2.5 hours. The market, well, practically died, right? And then all of a sudden it started going up, but it came back. And again, nothing really happened for quite a while. Well, you can see that really nothing happened for quite a while. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, these candles look like they're going up, but the one that made a new higher price is this candle right here, right? This candle right here, exactly this candle right here, and that's where it all started. And then I was thinking of well, the price is most probably going to go up, right? right here. I mean, it went up, so I was waiting for a pullback. Only I was waiting on the M1 chart this time. I was waiting on the M1 chart, and actually the price did pull back to where I went in long again. But the price again didn't want to go up. First it went down on the M1 chart. So on the M1 chart it looked pretty like, and it was going down, and my stop loss was safe. But again, the price very slowly started going up. I didn't like the way it was behaving, so I closed it. Now, we clearly see that the price, again, the market went dead, and again for another 10 M15 candles, so at least another 2.5 hours, went dead, and that then started all of a sudden started going up. And yeah, and in the next hour, 15 minutes or so, it actually went all the way up there and basically covered this measurement right here, right? So what was another option to look at this market? Well, another option was that to look at it like this, that the whole bullish impulse is right here, right? So this was the bullish impulse, and this was the where's the my other line, and this was the pullback right there, right? So this was the pullback right here. Okay, so basically we can see that at this moment the water line is right here. The water line is right here. Price never came back down to the water line right here. It defended this zone as strong support, and again this was maybe well, I would have to be looking at this chart earlier. So basically, I missed that one, but there was another possibility to go that way and to reach the take profit, right? And there we had 77.5 pips potential, right? Okay, so basically the potential right there was well, I can do it anyway. It's like this because I can go like this. Yeah, I can go like this and put my stop loss, I don't know, somewhere over there. And we can even see that the price reached, or I can, adjust that so that it would be exactly at this line or a little bit below this line, right? And I have actually 80 pips right there. But then I have to get in at this price right here. Yeah. So basically, or I can move it up a little bit. Shit. Come on. No, that's not right. That's not right. Let's do it again. Yeah, so I can do it like this and then regulate my stop loss in such a way that I would get my take profit where it was supposed to be. Now we have about 75 pips. Anyways, both of those would have been good. It's just that the characteristic of today's market was very shitty, and it didn't really want to move the way we would expect it to move. So basically, yeah. I mean, do I really need that line over here? Well, not really. I mean, I can also work with just this one, but that one is just to why? I mean, okay, I'll show you why. Because this is an indicator. It's called Dada's Multi-Ruler Trinity FX. This indicator was created in 2016, I was involved in this. Well, I had my own group at that time, and we called it Trinity FX, and it was a fun adventure. And that's when this ruler was created. This ruler is basically 3 in 1. So yeah, so there are like 3 different rulers in one. I could just use this one, the ATR ruler, for example. Then I would have to do it like this, true, and take the ATR from 15 minutes, and whatever, ATR would be 2, the way I use it. Okay, and yeah, I can turn that one off. Then I don't really remember what it was like. Anyways, let's delete that one, and we will see what happens. No, that one. Okay, it's regenerated itself. Now it's not exactly working that way. There's probably some other settings that I don't remember. I will have to set. Perhaps yeah, this one. Turn this one off as well. Now we are only working with that one. ITR ruler, and we have this one. Okay, let's see what happens now. Now I got nothing. Okay, I have to work with that one. So basically let's put it back the way it was for the moment. So let's turn this one on, DATR. So that does I don't even remember what this abbreviation stood for. Okay, let's use this one, and then we can just use it as something like this right here, right? It's working like the ATR ruler right now. You see, every time I pull it to some other location, then it reads the ATR at that moment, right? So yeah, so it is working as the ATR. Okay, great. Now let me see if I can also use it like this. Yeah, I can. Okay, so that's it, right? Okay. So you see that according to this measurement, the price, according to this measurement of this here consolidation, right? So it's treating as this full consolidation. The price hasn't reached that level, at least not yet. Okay, so that's it. So please like, that's it for today, of course. Please like, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. The link is below in the descriptions. And of course, you can, what else you can do? You can support me by becoming my patron on patreon.com. The link is also below in the descriptions, or you can support me directly through PayPal. So what are the benefits? Well, the benefits are basically that you become a VIP member on my Dadas Trading Room Discord server. You get access to special content. You get access to some special tools, right? And also, of course, depending on the level of support and or on the time that you spend with me, you can then get my indicators from me for free. I can help you with coding. I can code you some indicators that you would like. Of course, you can always order from me, because I can do in MQL4 and a little bit in MQL5. I can also do some things in MQL5. and I can basically code indicators or expert advisors for you, right? Of course, you can pay for that, or you can become my Patreon and or support me directly through PayPal, and then with time, get all those benefits. Thanks a lot for today. Well, I don't know where you are, but where I am, fall is coming, then we're gonna have winter, and then we're gonna have spring and summer and everything over again. Okay. Keep well, keep safe, keep healthy, watch yourself, and see you next time. Bye.